Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to send money from Cashapp to Coinbase in 2023 using Paxful. While it's important to note that this method may have certain risks and may not be officially supported, but I'll walk you through the process of doing that. So please proceed with caution and ensure that you comply with the terms and conditions of both Cashapp and Paxful and even Coinbase. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. In my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, simply go to this URL section and type paxful.com and hit the enter button. That's it's your first time, of course. This will take you to the home screen or main screen of Paxful. For you, if you have an account, you'll have to go and log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, simply go and create your account by clicking on sign in or register and follow the prompts and enter the credentials or your information to create your account. Once you do so, you'll find yourself right here in this option. Of course, but before we start with anything, make sure that you have everything set up. You have your money in your Cash App and you have a Coinbase account ready to use. If you don't have anything like ready, you can simply go and create like your Cash App account if you don't have it, or Coinbase also. So once you have everything set up, we'll be able to start correctly. Now, once you are here at this dashboard, or maybe you'll find yourself like something anywhere you were, you can simply go to this buy option and click on this drop down menu. Then simply go and click on buy Tether or buy Bitcoin or buy USD. Whatever suits you. For me, I suggest you to use this USDT or Tether. So once you do so, go here to this left panel, go to this pay via, and here you'll simply have to type Cash App. Click on it, and as you can see here, you can choose the currency that you want. You can list it any currency, or you can choose the currency that you have in your Cash App, which is normally going to be USD. Then you can choose the location from here. For me, I'm just going to choose worldwide. Once you choose everything you want here, simply go and click on find offers. And once you do so, as you can see, you'll find here some sellers that should be good for you. As you can see, you can check for the seller that is verified. There's no verified user or sellers or buyers at the moment. But as you can see, if you didn't find the verified, you can go and check the positive feedback that they have. Of course, you can even or make sure to keep attention on this minimum purchase and maximum purchase. So as you can see, for this user or this buyer, you'll not be able to buy more or even less than $1,000 or USD. Of course, for this one, the minimum is 10, 11. So make sure to go and choose whatever suits you. Of course, at this time, I guess everyone is sleeping, but maybe if you choose a specific time to go and do that, you will find a lot of sellers, even verified ones. So simply choose whatever seller suits you, then simply go and click on buy. Once you do so, you'll have to go and enter here the amount that you want to buy of USD or the amount that you want to buy of USDT. As I said before, this user have limited everything on 1000, so it's already filled for you. But for you, you will have to go and fill it manually if it didn't set like a specific price. And of course, as you can see, for to buy from this buyer, you will need to verify your email and phone number. If you didn't do that yet, you can simply go and click on start verification and then come back here. And instead of the similar offers, you'll be able to buy right now. Of course, you can always scroll down and see what's about this user. You can see the positive feedbacks, the negative feedback. Of course, this zero is rarely find it. So, of course, if you find this is very great, but normally you'll not find zero here. You may find 5, 6, 2, or something like that. As you can see, his ID verified, email verified, address verified, and phone verified. So it seems trusted. So you can buy from that guy. Once you buy the USD from here or USDT from here with your Cash App, you can simply go now to sell option, click on this drop down menu and go and click whatever you bought. As example, if you buy the Bitcoin, click here. If you buy the USDT, click here. And if you bought the USDC, you can click here. For me, as I suggested, I'm just going to click on Tether or USDT. And here, gets paid via what? As I said, we would like to have Coinbase. So as you can see, if you didn't find like Coinbase here, it's not a problem because Coinbase is not actually like bank account or something like that. It's just a wallet. So simply you can go down or go back, and as you can see, just type coin, and here you'll find those options. You'll find like Dogecoin or whatever, a lot of coins here. So simply you can go and choose right away this digital currencies and go and click on this Tether USD. Once you click on it, as you can see, then here you can choose what's you want to get as an example. So you can choose whatever suits you, choose the location worldwide, and click on find offers. Here you'll be able to find people that will buy the USDT from you that you just bought with your Cash App and give it to you on your address of the Coinbase. So simply go to your Coinbase, sorry, and go to your wallet and get the address of the USDT or Tether. So make sure to go and get the address of it, and then go back here and select whatever seller you like. As an example, this one. Make sure or keep an eye on this minimum sell or maximum sell also. As you can see, verified. So he's approved by Paxful, so don't worry about anything. You don't even have to go and check anything else if he's verified. But if he's not verified, make sure to go and check the positive feedbacks and etc. As I told you before. So as an example, if you like this one, click on sell. And as you can see, he had the average trade speed 4 minutes, so he's very quick. And here you'll have to enter the amount that you want to sell. So if you enter this one, this will be filled. If you enter this one, this will be filled automatically. So as an example, I want to receive 100 USD. As you can see, if I want to sell to this user, I will have to go and verify my email and phone number again. So if you didn't do so, make sure to go and do it again. And if you did it, of course, you'll find here sell option. So once you click on sell, you'll have to give it or to give him your address that you get from your Coinbase account. And once you do so, you will find your USDT there after you sell. So as you can see, he has zero negative feedback again, and he's verified already. So you don't have to worry about anything, as I said. Once you sell everything, go to your Coinbase account or wallet and check if you have the funds right there. If you have it, that's good. So just remember to prioritize your security throughout the entire process. And be cautious with dealing with third-party platforms like Paxful or any other platforms example. And ensure that you are using a trusted verified sellers as we did here. And additionally, you can stay updated with the latest security practices for both Cash App and Coinbase and even Paxful. And of course, make sure to protect your funds and personal informations by staying updated with the latest security practices. Of course, if you reach this point of this video, congratulations, you've sent or you know how to send your money from Cash App to Coinbase in 2023. Of course, it's important to know that this method may involve like risks and it's not officially supported by Cash App or the Coinbase. So exercise with caution, comply with the terms and conditions of all involved platforms, and prioritize your financial securities. So thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of your financial endeavors. If you like this video, leave a like down below. Subscribe to our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.